Good morning, dear student. Today we will read a new story, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. This story is written like a comic book, so let us know about the story Gopal and Hilsa Fish. It was the season of Hilsa Fish. Everyone was talking about it only. Even the king's courtiers talked about Hilsa Fish. The king was tried to listening about it, so he wanted no more talk about Hilsa Fish. Gopal, who was a clever man, but the king said that even he could not stop people from talking about Hilsa Fish. Gopal said that he could. The king asked Gopal to prove his cleverness. He asked him to buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him a word about it. Gopal accepted the challenge. A few days later, he decided to buy a hilsa. But before doing so, he did three things. What are the three things? First, look here. He half shaved his face, then smeared himself with ash and put on rags. Most people, including his wife, thought that he had gone mad. Then Gopal bought the hilsa fish and moved towards the palace. When Gopal reached the court, the catman didn't let him in. At this, Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. The king was in the court. Someone ordered his servants to throw out the noisy man at once. Gopal, however, kept on saying loudly that he wanted to see the king. At last, the king asked his servants to bring that man to him at once. Thus, Gopal got inside the palace to see the king with the hilsa fish. The king asked Gopal why he had come in that guise. Gopal reminded the king of his challenge. He added that no one seemed to be interested in the hilsa fish that day. Not a word was spoken about it. The king congratulated Gopal on having achieved the impossible once again. No one talked of hilsa fish that day because the man carrying the fish seemed more important. So, this is the whole story of Gopal and hilsa fish. Read this comic story and enjoy it. Thank you.